Hey YouTube, how's it going? I'm Chris and welcome to my YouTube channel. I do drone and tech reviews. Today is going to be a maiden flight of my 3-inch quad. I built it over the Christmas break and really haven't had time to bring it out. I'm going to be meeting with Matt and Sunny today. We're on this location. You guys may have seen it. We did some diving through these trees. Yeah, we're going to take the 3-inch out. Let's go see what it is. In a nutshell, it's a Happymodel ExpressLRS HD. This is a Crazybee F4 Pro V3 board. And then this is the Diamond VTX without the DVR. Caddx EOS 2 camera. I really like this camera. And Lollipop. What's new about this whole setup is that I'm running ExpressLRS. So you can see this wire coming out here. That is one of the first quads I built with ExpressLRS. I'm hooking up to this jumper T-lite with the ExpressLRS mod. Josh Bardwell has a really great tutorial on how to install this. And yeah, let's go get this puppy up in the air.
Is there a... oh yeah, you can't even control it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got no receiver to...
Oh my gosh, what happened?
I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do?
So basically, I didn't set up the UART correctly. This is the first official flight at my house, in my backyard, over my folks' place, and overall it flies relatively smooth. This is using BetaFlight 4.2, no tuning whatsoever. I'm surprised how smooth it is. You'll notice there's some jello in the footage, but wow, this thing flies really good. I wasn't expecting this thing to launch this high just by changing from a 2.5 inch prop to a 3 inch. I guess you get that much more lift, and I'm flying on a 3S battery, 450, and this thing flies really fast as well. Again, it just wants to go. This thing hauls butt on 3S. So if you ever want to build your own quad, I suggest taking one that you already have and just modding it to your specifications. Just buy a new frame just to get to know the internal parts. If you guys want to see me actually building this thing out, I'll be glad to take it apart and film each step as I go through the process. Just leave a comment below if you'd like to actually see that video. Let's just I'll talk to you guys back on the bench.
It's been a long time now since we've been face to face. And I think it's kind of...
So I'm back from my first flight and just wanted to do a quick recap. If you guys enjoyed that flight, give me a like. Basically, it's a parts bin build. If you're looking to build your own quad, it's probably better to start with a ready to fly that you crash, basically build off of that as your first build. This is a BetaFPV HX115LR frame that's supposed to be a 1S. The frame was only $12. Couldn't pass up the opportunity. I had some leftover parts from a Happymodel ExpressLRS HD to make it a 3S, and then I just shoved everything in there. Everything's pretty much plug and play. Luckily, this build had very little soldering. The only soldering I had to really do is attaching the ExpressLRS. I just needed to reflash the firmware for several purposes. I wanted to run the latest BetaFlight 4.2, also ExpressLRS for both the transmitter and the receiver. I did have that problem initially with the UARTs not being configured correctly. The thing flies relatively good. There's some jello and prop wash that I have to deal with. I haven't gotten to that stage of modding my quad as far as PID tuning and whatnot. Maybe that's my next step into the FPV world, you know, the software side of the house. I hope to take this quad out more, explore what a 3-inch quad can really do in freestyle. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, guys, fly safe, be safe, and see you guys next time. Bye.